Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you an app called Dosh. What this app is like discounts. Once you buy something on any of these stores that are linked, which is a lot of them, you get cash back called Dosh dollars. You can also book a hotel. Your first hotel, you get 25 cash bonus. Every hotel you book, you get Dosh dollars, discounts on the hotels, etc. To start earning money, first you have to link your card. Once you link your card and use my link right here, it'll be in the description, you get your first $5. Once you get $15, you'll be able to transfer your money into your real bank account. So, click this link, download the app, enter your credit card, and the $5 will be automatically into your bank account on Dosh. And then once you get $15, you can get that by going to social, copying your own link and posting it online for other people to do. You'll start adding up money. That's all you have to do.